Hello viewers, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This reading is for Sagittarius from 6th of July to 12th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present and immediate future. So let's see what cards have to show you. Okay, so this is a card that is the Wheel of Fortune. Sagis, what is happening with you right now, I think, is that you believe that something is repeatedly happening in your life. Something, it's like, you don't get over with something and something new comes up. So repetition is there, and you are a little confused about it. What is it for? But let me tell you that it is for good. So don't worry about it. If we look into your recent past, the cards are Eight of Wands reversed, Seven of Cups, and the Tower reversed. So maybe something happened in your past that there were some important decisions that you had to take, but you could not take those important decisions because either you were waiting for something or someone, or that person did not come, or either the message which was supposed to come, or the person who was supposed to come, either they cancelled or it got postponed. So because of the delay or because of the cancelling of some very very important things, the decision which was you were supposed to take did not happen, and because of that there was a lot of trouble. There was, it's like, you were in a lot of sadness, a lot of pain. Maybe there was some conflict or argument also going on, and you had this feeling that you just saved yourself from something very very ugly which could which could have happened. So yeah, this was about your past. Before moving towards your present, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Okay, so here are your present cards. This is the Four of Pentacles reversed, the High Priestess reversed, and the King of Swords reversed. So I think because of whatever has happened in the past, you're still little insecure. You're still little, in that unstable mood, and things are not clear. Things are not clear for you. You have worked hard. You are trying to um, invest somewhere, or maybe trying to take care of your finances, trying to take care of your family, trying to get your work done by hook or by crook, but things are not happening your way. But in the present, I believe there is something important might happen. Maybe somebody in your life, either, I don't know whether it is you or not, I think it is someone else only, someone else who is a part of this process, is hiding a lot of secrets, I guess. So that is going to get revealed. You are going to see the real picture right now. Real picture will be shown to you, so that now I think you will get the exact actual push, and then I think things are going to get better. So let's see your future cards. Your future cards are Nine of Cups, Two of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles. Oh my god. Oh god, Sagittarius, this is something amazing. You really don't have to worry about anything. Getting Wheel of Fortune as your energy and getting these three cards as your future cards is like, it is going to be a very very happy and fulfilling future for you. You will have everything you wanted for. You will have an amazing partnership. It could be a business partnership, it could be a love partnership, it could be the romantic relationship. You might meet your soulmate also, and you are going to get a lot of creative ideas about your work, and these ideas are going to really benefit you, and you're going to earn a lot because of those ideas. So your personal, professional, emotional, psychological, and all the areas of your life are going to be very fulfilling. It is an amazing future. So still you have any doubt, you can contact me. You can just write in the comment box, or for the detailed reading you can see the description box. So yay, all the best, Saris.